guys, this is Baker T, and for the graham cracker toffee, these are the ingredients you will need, so feel free to pause on this list and grab them. So first you want to heat up a pan and put 1 stick of salted or unsalted butter in it. You want to move the butter around until it melts. Then you want to add half a cup of brown sugar and melt it with the butter. While it's melting, line a pan with parchment paper, and then you can line 5 to 8 graham crackers broken into fourths on the pan. Then you want to pour the mixture onto the graham crackers. And then bake it at 350 degrees for 8 to 12 minutes. Then you want to sprinkle chocolate chips over them only if you want them. And that's it.